Tired of Csgo looking dull and washed out? Let's give your game a major color upgrade using the Nvidia control panel, making those headshots pop and the environments feel alive. First, locate the Nvidia control panel on your desktop or in your system tray. Double-click or right-click and select Open to launch it. Inside the Nvidia control panel, navigate to Adjust Video Color Settings. You might find this under Video or Display. Depending on your Nvidia driver version, click on it to access the color settings. Now, under How do you want to make color adjustments? Select the option with the Nvidia settings. This allows us to customize the colors directly. The key setting we want to adjust is Digital Vibrance. This controls the intensity of colors in your game. Increase this slider to a level that looks visually pleasing to you, without overdoing it. Generally, a value between 60% and 80% is a good starting point. Now, play around with the brightness and contrast settings to fine-tune your visual experience. Make sure the shadows are still visible and the highlights aren't blown out completely. Remember to start in a deathmatch server to see how it all comes alive. After you've adjusted the settings to your liking, click Apply to save your changes. Your game should now look much more vibrant. Another option is to go into in-game video settings and set most of the visual settings to low to improve performance. Try things out and have fun.